These are alcohol markers, the cheapest alcohol markers in the world, and I'm going to use every single color in one big drawing. But before that, let's find a reference photo to get some ideas. Once I have a clear picture in mind, I grab my sketchbook, my pencil, and my eraser. Now, it's time to sketch. I'm going to start with the character proportion to see how the characters will look like. I like how the drawing turning out, so let's keep adding details. Rough sketch is done. Once I'm satisfied with the sketch, I'm going to take the most expensive paper that I have, presenting the Bristol paper. Now let's begin transferring the sketch to this big piece of paper. Wish me luck, brothers and sisters. Let's finish this big sketch real quick because I can't wait to color it. And you will know what's the meaning of these 4 flags later. The big sketch is done. Now it's time for the inking. And to do this, I'll be using the Sakura fine liner pen. The pen is ready, so let's get jump right into it. Oh, this pen is so smooth. The whole drawing is already inked, but it's just the halfway of the inking process. So before I continue, I'm going to drink first a delicious hot coffee. Ooh, delicious! Now I have the energy to continue inking. This time, I'll be using a much thicker Sakura fine liner pen. This will give a nice volume to our lines, and I promise you, the drawing will be more epic than ever. Brothers and sisters, inking is finally done. Now, it's time to prepare the markers. Everything is ready and I have many markers to use. So, let's start coloring. First, I'm gonna color the skin. And this will set as my color guide for the rest of the drawing. The face and skin are done. Now, it's time to color the flags. It represents the 4 countries who watch my videos the most.
Love carved in stone. Love carved in stone. That's me and my baby.
To keep track with the markers, I'm not going to return the markers to the bag once I already used it, so that I can see what are the colors that I haven't used yet.
It's true. Love carved in stone. Love carved in stone.
Look at this epic dog.
Love carved in stone.
Now it's time to color the most epic 3-wheel cycle. I don't know what color to use for the crocs, so I think and think and think until I got to the Blackpink concert. And that's where I got the idea. So pink is the chosen color for the crocs. And to spice the color a little bit, I'm going to mix it with violet, presenting the ultra magnificent magenta. Now, let's color the tiny parts of the drawing.
Here we go with the same old thing. Like I said something just to ruin your mood.
Few markers left and the drawing is almost done. I really like how the character turning out and I hope you like it as much as I do.
God only knows that I'm better off being with.
The drawing is finally done.
God only knows that I'm trying to do.
So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
Sometimes it goes, sometimes you can't get